Today we're putting the Platinum KC combo from Pit Boss Grills to the test, and we're actually going to give it a shot at the sear ability over here on the pellet grill, as well as doing some fried rice and hibachi vegetables over on the griddle side. So looking forward to seeing how this comes out. Stay tuned. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our chicken over here on the pellet grill side, and I'm gonna go ahead and have the camera come in here. If you look, you can see that we have the grate closed, but right here, over here on the KC combo, we have this little handle, and this handle allows us to be able to open it so we can get the direct sear ability of this grill. You can see the flames in there from the flame pot. You can see them going away. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take some chicken, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on the grill. Now, first things first, I want to get this seasoned up with a little bit of salt. I want to take a chicken breast with some salt, put it right there over that. And we'll get a chance to see how this side sears. So we'll check back in on that in about 5 minutes. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and go over here to the griddle side, and you'll notice we have the griddle running at about 450 degrees. If you look here, about 425, 450. And I was able to get it fired up using all 3 burners on the full, as high as they would go. But what I was able to do is, as I got it started to heat up, I had it all the way up to about 700 degrees, turn the burners all the way down, and all the way down here on this December day where it's actually moderately cold outside, it's in the 40s, I'm hovering at about 450 degrees with the grill all the way down on this griddle. So we're still getting a lot of heat even with the grill all the way down, because once you heat up that amount of metal, it's gonna stay hot for a while. So we'll go ahead and lift that up. And one of the things you can see is we've cooked a couple times on this already, and so we have a nice black color to our griddle. And when it started out, it was a nice steel color, but the whole idea is we wanted to get some real ability to be able to make this non-stick and season this griddle. The griddle's nice and seasoned now. All we're gonna have to do, add a little bit of oil, and we're off to the races. All right, so we've got our hibachi vegetables done. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rice over here for the fried rice. Then we're gonna go over and check on the chicken, see how we're doing. All right, you can see we actually have gotten some really good char on the backside from this pellet grill. A lot of people say they can't get a good char from a pellet grill. Look at that, I've got sticking and all kinds of stuff here. Now granted, I didn't oil the grate at all. Look at that. From a pellet grill even. Not bad. Garlic, a little bit of butter. All right, so what did we learn? We learned that the pellet grill side, when you use the sear capability, absolutely can grill and sear off chicken. Now, is it a huge area? Well, no, it's not a huge area, but you can sear a couple chicken breasts in there, if not 2-4, no problem. And we actually got a really good sear on the outside. We got some really good marks on it, as well as on this side. Man, you can do fried rice, hibachi vegetables, all kinds of things. We've got our whole entire meal here, from Kung Pao Chicken all the way to fried rice and hibachi vegetables, all on the grill. So all the mess is out here, none of the mess is inside. For us, that's a huge win. So we're liking the Platinum KC combo. If you want to check it out, there's a link down below, and we hope that you'll give this one a shot. All the best from David from the Barbecue Lab. We'll see you next time.